Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of x. Given that x plus root 2020 is equal to a and 5 over x minus root 2020 is equal to b. Now, the only information we have about a and b is that they are both integers. To solve this problem, let us start with this first equation. Now, we can get an expression for x from this first equation. To do that, all we have to do is to subtract root 2020 from both sides of the equation. When we do that, we have that x is equal to a minus root 2020. Now, we are going to replace the x in the second equation with a minus root 2020. When we do that, we have 5 over a minus root 2020 minus root 2020 is equal to b. Let us move this over to the right hand side. When we do that, this equation becomes 5 over a minus root 2020 is equal to b plus root 2020. Now, to get rid of this fraction on the left hand side, let us cross multiply. When we do that, we have that a minus root 2020 multiplied by b plus root 2020 is equal to 5. Expanding these two brackets, we have a times b, that is ab. A times root 2020, that is a root 2020, minus root 2020 times b, that is minus b root 2020, and minus root 2020 times plus root 2020, that is minus 2020. And of course, this is equal to 5. Now, when you look at these two terms, you'll see a common factor, which is root 2020. So here we have ab plus root 2020 into a root 2020 divided by root 2020 is equal to a, and minus b root 2020 divided by root 2020 is equal to minus b. Now let us move this constant over to the right to join 5. When we do that, we have 5 plus 2020. Now, of course, this is equal to 2025. Let us look at this equation. Remember that both a and b are integers. So this is an integer. Of course, you know that 2025 is an integer. But let us look at this term. 2020 is not a perfect square. So root 2020 is irrational. That means that this times this is irrational. Now, if a and b are integers, the only way that this equation is going to be possible is if this term is equal to 0. So, since a and b are integers, we have that a minus b multiplied by root 2020 must be equal to 0. And of course, from here, we have that a minus b must be equal to 0, and hence a must be equal to b. Now we come back to this equation. Since a is equal to b, then we can write this as a squared. Of course, this is equal to 0. And on the right hand side, we have 2025. Taking square root of both sides of this equation, we have that a is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2025. And of course, this is equal to plus or minus 45. Now we go back to this first equation to find the value of x. From here, we have that x is equal to plus or minus 45, which is a, minus root 2020. So we have two values of x. We have x1 equal to 45 minus root 2020 and x2 equal to minus 45 minus root 2020. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.